There's a planet in our solar system where it rains diamonds. Yes, actual diamonds falling from the sky. But before you pack your bags, let me warn you, this planet is also one of the coldest, strangest, and most dangerous places ever discovered. Its name is Uranus, and what hides beneath its icy clouds might haunt you forever. Our universe is unimaginably vast. So vast that understanding even a fraction of it could take more than a lifetime. There are over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. And even if I made 1,000 videos on just one galaxy, I still couldn't explain it all. We live in the Milky Way galaxy, and inside it lies our solar system, home to 8 planets, all orbiting the Sun in a perfect rhythm. But today, we're focusing on the strangest of them all, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and it's like nothing else in the solar system. It doesn't just rotate sideways, it practically rolls around the Sun, and according to scientists, it literally rains diamonds deep within its atmosphere. Sounds beautiful, right? But here's the twist. Despite being farther from the Sun, Uranus is colder than Neptune, the farthest planet. It holds the record for the coldest planetary atmosphere ever recorded, -224 degrees Celsius. Uranus was the first planet discovered using a telescope. In 1781, astronomer William Herschel noticed a blurry object in the night sky. At first, he thought it was just another star, but when he looked closer, he realized it was something far more extraordinary. He had just discovered a new planet. It was eventually named Uranus, and that moment changed the way we saw the universe forever. In our solar system, Mercury is closest to the Sun. Neptune is the farthest, so, logically, Mercury should be the hottest and Neptune the coldest. Right? Wrong. Venus is the hottest. Due to its thick greenhouse atmosphere, and the coldest planet isn't Neptune, it's Uranus. A planet so strange, even logic doesn't apply. After Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. It's over 4 times wider than Earth. In fact, if Uranus were hollow, it could hold over 50 Earths inside it. Uranus has an incredibly dense atmosphere. The deeper you go, the more extreme the pressure becomes. So much so that if a spacecraft tried to land, it would be crushed before it even touched the surface. Even flying above Uranus is nearly impossible. That's why, to this day, no spacecraft has ever landed on Uranus, which is terrifying and intriguing. Let's talk about temperature. Uranus reaches -353 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -214 degrees Celsius. That's so cold if a human waved their hand in the air. The blood flow would stop. The hand would freeze solid and literally snap off like a rock. Water wouldn't just freeze, it would become harder than stone. Now imagine this. On Earth, we experience 4 seasons in 1 year. But on Uranus, each season lasts 20 years. That's because Uranus takes 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun just once. And unlike other planets that spin slightly tilted, Uranus spins on its side, tilted at 98 degrees. Scientists believe this happened after a massive object, possibly the size of Earth, smashed into Uranus billions of years ago, knocking it sideways permanently. Earth has 1 moon. But Uranus? It has 27 known moons. And among them is one of the strangest looking objects in the entire universe, Miranda. This moon looks like it's been turned inside out. Its surface is chaotic, like a broken puzzle put back together wrong. Uranus appears blue to the naked eye. You might assume that's because it's cold, but it's not. The blue color comes from the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. And the smell? Let's just say, you wouldn't want to take a deep breath. Uranus's clouds are filled with hydrogen sulfide, the same chemical that gives rotten eggs their horrible smell. Imagine an entire planet that stinks like sulfur, so badly, a human wouldn't even be able to tolerate it. Earlier, I mentioned it rains diamonds on Uranus. That's not science fiction, it's real. Because of the intense pressure deep inside the atmosphere, carbon atoms are squeezed so tightly, they crystallize into diamonds and fall like rain. But don't get excited. No one has ever seen those diamonds, and no one has ever landed there to collect them. The pressure alone would destroy anything we send. Could there be life there? Aliens, perhaps? We simply don't know, because no one has ever gone that far. So those were some of the most mind-blowing facts about the strangest planet in our solar system, Uranus. And remember, in our solar system, we only have one sun. But in our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are over 100 billion more stars, each with their own planets, each with their own stories. Imagine what's out there. Our Milky Way galaxy is home to over 1.5 trillion stars. Yes, trillion. And many of them might have planets of their own. Some might be like Uranus, some might be even stranger, and some could be hiding life. This should give you an idea of just how massive our galaxy really is. Not even the human imagination can truly comprehend its scale. Who knows what secrets are still hidden out there? If you're fascinated by these mysteries, then hit like on this video, subscribe to Cosmic Vision, and let me know in the comments, which planet or topic should I cover next? I'll be reading every suggestion and researching the most mind-blowing facts for the next journey.